I'm Darren Huff, and this is Tech Tuesday with another technical tip. Let's go check it out.
So I went ahead and just cut a piece of cable here. Now we have to make the repair. So what we're going to do is once we lift up our tile and dig it out, I'm going to cut out this bad section, okay? And I want to keep it as close as I can. You want to get to a point where it's nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this clipper. I'm going to cut the wire. I got a nice clean cut here. And then I want to cut this out. So I've got to go back, just trim this, right? I've eliminated the bad portion, right? We have to peel back the layers. Inside of this one cable, there's going to be 3 cables. The first step is to bring it back about 2 inches. There's 2 ways to take this outer shell off. This wire stripper cuts the sheathing and then pulls it off. This actually, a thermal is with heat, so it's going to melt. So if I heated this tip up right here, circled around the wire just to melt the wire down to the heating, I could then pull this off 2 inches back, and you can see how it cut the cable here. And I'm just going to slide this. I'm going to have to pull this off, okay? And then now this is what you see here. So you see all these little strands that really are around these 2 cables right here. So what we need to do is pull these strands, okay? And you can see some of them got cut by that crimper. So I'm just going to peel these off. And you can see this is very, hopefully you have good eyesight when you do this. This is your ground wire that's coming up from the floor. We're going to twist these together. This is what you're going to crimp for your ground connection. This is around these 2 wires. These are your element wires right here. This is what heats the floor. Those 2 little wires is all that is heating the floor. Now, if you used a knife or anything, you could possibly have nicked this back here. My repair is going to be over here, though. That's why I would prefer to do a thermal strip.
That's it for this week. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on another Tech Tuesday.